Happy hello, good morning time. I need to reset my studio from the TikTok live last night and the most recent shows, so let's do that together. We did get this new paint because I love how gold it is, but it's also just reading so yellow, so I'm hoping that that will kind of jazz it up. TikTok racks, so we'll put them back in the TikTok room. Validate these pics. Did you guys love Audrey's pics? Did you love Audrey's pics? Ah, what? You just called me Audrey. Oh! Yeah. Did you like Audrey's pic?
I personally loved my own pics.
To be fair, there is an Audrey. It's Mary's daughter, and she actually helped me out a lot back in the day when I was running from home. And maybe it will be distracted by radiance. Look at this purple color blend. Racks are like gold around here, so having an empty rack is always very exciting. The amount of papers around here, this is all from the recent launch, so I need to familiarize myself with what is left and what is gone. Set this scene. This Tana and the lavender dusk will be really pretty here on the candles. I love that glow. I also just got notified that my husband just arrived at work, which means we're bringing the puppy here. We're naming him Winston, but I kind of want to call him, you know, they always need like a second name, and I think Englebert Humperdink would be really funny. We also have this picture here that we're using to put over this alarm. There. But this is what's most important. Hi, Englebert Humperdink.
That is not his government name.
Yeah, my camera was really... Hello, baby. Hello. Well, that was precious. Everybody got to meet him, and they all love him. I also just took off my nails so I can get them done, but it's so cute. He's so happy and so precious. But I do want to change my wig. I feel like something big and blonde feels right for this occasion. Maybe I'm just going for like that whole Dallas cheerleaders thing again. I don't know. I just... But more importantly, look how much better this is looking, minus our little cardboard piece. This is when the sun's coming in. This is totally not the one that I was thinking, but I do want to show it to you guys because she's just so pretty. This is Melissa in the Toasted Biscotti. She's really, really cute. Help, Audrey. Audrey. We'll try her on here in studio lighting, but I think she'll really shine outside. Oh, how pretty. It's landscaping day, but oh, the color. And just as I make this video, I realize there's only 12 left, so now I'm going to pick out a different crown. But who? Are we Miller in the Hazel Blend? The landscaping is so loud, but really pretty. Or are we Chelsey in that CBD? She's so pretty. I've actually been wearing this one a lot. Can't seem to tell, I kind of need to give her a brush. I think it's her. All right, we are off to fix this situation, but just take her in. Gorgeous, love her.